Hey guys, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In today's video, we're going to be making Almond Oat Granola. This is so delicious and one of my favorite granolas, so let's get started. For our first ingredient, we're going to be using 5 cups of rolled oats. We're going to place this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Now this step is to make our oats crunchy so our granola can be crunchy. Alright, so while the oats are baking in a separate bowl, we're going to mix together 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Now you can find organic maple syrup at your local Costco. I will link it down below if you guys will need it. Alright, next up we're going to mix 2 tablespoons of applesauce, okay, and the next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of grounded flaxseed. Try to find organic, or if you can do it at home by yourself. How I do it is I just toast the flax seeds and I blend it up in my blender. Now mix this together really well, and we're gonna be ready for our next ingredient. And for our next ingredient is a pinch of Redmond real salt. This is to give it a really good flavor. Now we're going to add in our toasted oats and make sure to mix this really well so our liquid ingredients can mix with the oats good. Now before we mix, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Make sure to do this when the oats are still warm. That way the coconut oil can sort of melt. Now we're going to mix really well and incorporate everything together. Now for a little secret ingredient, we're going to add in 1 cup of raw almond. This is what gives it a really good flavor, really good crunch, so don't forget to add this ingredient. Now we're going to place our granola into our baking sheet, and we're going to spread this out evenly so it can cook evenly. Next, we're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Now, every 5 minutes, we're going to do this in the oven. Don't take it out. I'm just taking it out for you guys to see it. But we're going to kind of like sort them out a little bit, mix it around so it can cook evenly. Do this every 5 minutes so it doesn't burn. And here are the finishing results. This looks so delicious and I can't wait to dig in. You can eat this with your morning breakfast cereal or just as a quick snack to get when you're hungry. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share with all your friends, and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye!